Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the battery drain issue on any Vivo phone. Now, first of all, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone from the control center. Now, to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone and open the control center. Now from here, just disable any unnecessary connections on your smartphone. For an example, if you're not using the hotspot, just disable the hotspot. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just disable the mobile data. Now similarly, if you're not using any other connections, just disable all the unnecessary connections on your smartphone. Just like that. And once you have done that, just open the app drawer. Now from here, just delete any bloatware on your smartphone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the app icon and tap on delete. Now just do that with all the other apps on your smartphone. Just like that. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now just enable auto brightness on your smartphone. And once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically adjust the brightness of your screen based on your surroundings. Now just scroll down and enable dark mode. Just like that. And once you do that, just scroll down and tap on screen refresh rate. Now from here, just select 60 Hz or smart switch instead of 120 Hz. Now if you select 60 Hz, it will lock the screen refresh rate at 60 Hz. Or if you select smart switch, it will switch the refresh rate from 60 Hz up to 120 Hz based on your usage. And once you do that, just go back and tap on home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Now from here, just tap on always on display. Now just disable always on display. And once you do that, just go back. Now just scroll down and tap on battery. Now from here, just enable battery saver. And once you do that, just scroll down and make sure you enable sleep standby optimization. Now once you enable this option, it will identify your sleeping hours and it will freeze the apps and disable network connections when you're sleeping to save the battery life. And this is how you can fix the battery drain issue on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.